Hi guys, welcome to Websense Pro and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can send email in bulk completely for free using just Gmail and the Google Sheet. And this will not be the same email for all of the multiple recipients. It is going to be a completely customized email where you can customize the first name, customize the last name. So whoever is receiving the email will feel like this email is customized for themselves. And it is super simple and completely free to use. Thanks to Google, they have provided this documentation, but we didn't know how to use. But in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can do this completely for free. So first step is to go to the browser and search for mail merge. Yeah, that's the fancy way of saying that preparing the Google Sheet to send the bulk email. But that's what this video is about, where I'm going to teach you how to use the mail merge. So once you search mail merge, you will find this first link from Google, which is create a mail merge with Gmail and Google Sheets. So click on that. And here you can see that it's just a beginner level tutorial. And once you scroll down, you will find this make a copy button. So click on that. And here I'm going to click on make a copy. Perfect. Here you can see that we have this sample Google Sheet where we will add the first name, last name, recipient, and if we need to add in more additional details. Let me explain this Google Sheet in a little more detail. So each row is an email where first name will be used as this one. And if we use the last name, it will be this one. And that is the recipient for this email, right? And we can add in more email address, add in more data. So we'll be able to send more emails in bulk using Gmail, right? Now I'm going to add in my own name here because I'll be testing it first that whether if it's working or not. I'm going to add in my own email and I don't need the description. I will use the email body and I don't need the discount code. I need the order number, which I'll send for order confirmation. So I'm creating this template where I need to send order confirmation to multiple customers of mine. That's the use case. And I need to send that in bulk. I don't want to manually copy and paste the order number on every single email. I just wanted to send it in bulk and I'm going to add in all the details of my order number within this Google Sheet. So let's do that. I'm going to remove the description column. And for the discount code, I'm simply going to say order number, right? And I'm assuming this is my order number. Well, again, it's all the dummy data. It's just to teach you guys how you can send bulk emails using Google Sheet and the mail merge. Discount amount, I don't need that. So I'm going to remove that as well. Click on delete column. And there are two most important columns which you cannot delete. One is recipient and the other one is email sent, right? Now, once you have your Google Sheet ready, click on mail merge and then click on send emails. Once you do that, you will have this authorize required pop-up showing up. Click on OK. And here it's giving you an error. Google hasn't verified this app. No need to worry about that. It is an official Google documentation. So if I go to this documentation here, you can see that it's officially by Google where you have this make a copy button. So you don't need to worry about that at all. So I'm simply going to click on advanced and then click on go to Gmail Sheets mail merge. And now on this pop-up, we will click on select all to give it permission to send emails on our behalf. Now click on continue. And now let's go back to our mail merge Google Sheet where it's asking you to add in the subject line. Now, this Google Sheet wants you to tell that which email you want to send in bulk. Now, in order to send the bulk email, we'll first have to create a draft email within our Gmail inbox. So I'm going to open Gmail in a new tab and then click on compose. And here I'm going to add in the subject line, your order is confirmed. Now within this double bracket, I'm going to add in the column title where I want to use the value for. Let's say Let's close this one for now. Let's say I'm sending email to this recipient first, where order number is AA001. Now, the second one has AA02. Now, I don't want to manually add in the order number. I want to dynamically pull the order number from this Google Sheet. What I'll do, I'll just copy this column title and paste within this curly bracket. Similarly, I'm going to do the same with the first name. So rather than having names of individual, I'm simply going to add in the double bracket and then copy and paste the column title. So I'm just going to copy this first name and then paste it here. Now I'm going to type in the email. Thanks for ordering from us. Your order. Again, I'm going to add in the order number within the bracket. So simply copy and paste. Is confirmed and will be delivered by. Now, I also want to add the delivery date. So meaning I need to add in another dynamic value. For that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add in a new column. So add in one, insert one column, right? And here I'm going to name it due date, right? And for due date, I'm going to add one future date, 15th Feb 26. So let's copy this for now. Let's change the date a little bit. Now, mail merge will automatically pull the date from this field. And I will need to add in the column title. So I'm simply going to copy and then paste within the curly brackets. And let's end the email. Now, once our draft email is ready, and we just have to now go to the Google Sheet, click on mail merge, and then click on send emails. Now, again, it's asking for the subject line. So I'm simply going to copy this subject line and paste the subject line here and then click OK. And once it's done, it's going to send email to all of the recipients which we have. Again, I have the dummy data for the second one. So it's just going to send one email, assuming you will also be doing the test first before sending all of the bulk emails. So I'm simply going to test it by clicking on OK. Okay, you can see that it says email sent. It automatically updated the date for today when I'm testing that. And now when I go to my inbox, let's minimize that. You can see that this one, the address not found for the one where I added the dummy email, and this one I send it to myself. Now you can see that the order number is dynamically pulled from the Google Sheet, right? And the due date is also being pulled from the Google Sheet dynamically, 15th Feb 2026. So if I show you guys like this, you can see the dynamic values here. So that is the due date and that is the order number, which is dynamically being pulled by mail merge. So that's how you can send personalized bulk email using Google Sheet and mail merge. Now there are some limitations as well. If you go to the mail merge documentation and scroll down, you can see here we have quotas for Google services. If I open up that, we will have this limit where we can send 100 emails per day for the free Gmail email. If you use Google Workspace, meaning if you have a paid Gmail email account, you'll be able to send 1500 emails per day using this method, right? But it is fairly simple and you don't need to pay for any software and you don't need to have any CRM or anything like that. You can basically send bulk emails completely for free using Gmail and Google Sheet. Let me know in the comments below if this tutorial was easy enough for you to understand, and also let me know if you want me to create more tutorials, more easy to learn tutorials like this one. Until next video, have a great day.